When was the last time you looked at your life and felt proud? Truly, deeply proud. Not the kind of pride you fake in front of people. Not the I'm doing okay smile you force when someone asks you how you're doing. I'm talking about the kind of pride that hits you when you're alone, staring at your reflection, knowing you earned every single thing you have. Can you feel that? Or is it missing? If it's missing, I'll tell you why. It's because you haven't paid the price yet. The truth no one likes to hear is this: the life you want costs more than you're giving right now. The pain no one sees. Hard work isn't pretty. It's waking up before the sun rises while the rest of the world sleeps. It's staying late after everyone else has gone home, alone with nothing but your doubt and exhaustion. It's saying no to distraction, to comfort, to things that feel good right now, because you know they'll steal from your future. It's sacrificing weekends, sleep, and sometimes even people, the ones who don't understand why you're chasing something they can't see. And the worst part, most of the time, no one claps for you. No one celebrates the nights you cry in frustration because nothing seems to be working. No one sees you breaking down in silence, wondering if you're wasting your time. No one thanks you for putting in the work when there's nothing to show for it yet. It's lonely, it's brutal. So why keep going? Because the reward is in the struggle. Here's the part they never tell you. The reward isn't just the success. It's who you become along the way. The grind, the struggle, the doubt. That's where you build the version of yourself who can handle the life you're chasing. Every time you push through when you want to quit, you become stronger. Every time you fail and get back up anyway, you become smarter. Every time you suffer in silence while the world moves on without you, you become tougher. Hard work doesn't just give you results. It gives you power. It gives you the unshakable knowledge that no one handed you anything. You built it with your own two hands, and no one can ever take that from you. So let me ask you again, how bad do you want it? Bad enough to suffer for it? Bad enough to keep going when it feels pointless? Bad enough to watch everyone else live on easy life while you bleed for the one you want? Because that's the price, and most people aren't willing to pay it. But if you are, if you're the rare kind of person who locks in, digs deep, and refuses to quit, you'll get everything you've ever wanted. Not because you were lucky, not because someone handed it to you, because you earned it. And when the day comes, you won't just be proud, you'll be unstoppable.